Sí, señor.
Bravo.
¿Quién te salió?
Roberto Clemente.
What?
My name is Francis Negrón-Muntaner. I am a professor at Columbia University in the Department of English and Comparative Literature. And the project that I've been developing is called Valor y Cambio, which was supported by the Center for the Study of Social Difference, and it emerged from a working group called Unpayable Debt that looked at the rise of debt regimes all over the world, but we put a particular emphasis on Puerto Rico for our research. And the name of our group comes directly from a speech that the governor of Puerto Rico gave when he announced to the island that the government had accumulated such an enormous amount of debt that he called it unpayable. If you combine all debt that the government has, it tops 120 billion. The project, I would describe it as a art, storytelling, and just economy project to launch an island-wide conversation about what do we value as a society. Introducing a tool, a community currency, that could be used for communities that are marginalized or have little access to the formal economy to organize their resources and talents inside their communities through exchange of a community currency. We also wanted the currency to tell stories of the past that connected to the present. So we picked figures and places that allowed us to talk of burning issues now, like public education, public health or access to health. We wanted to talk about racial and gender equity. I think the most popular bill was 21, Roberto Clemente, who was a baseball player and also was known for his humanitarian work. So the way it worked was we got an ATM, we added a computer to the ATM so it could collect the stories, and in exchange of the stories, we would give the bills through a dispenser, a money dispenser. We got a number of small businesses, about 40 small businesses, to accept these bills. So the idea was that we would demonstrate, and through a participatory process, what could an exchange economy, not based on profit or debt or accumulation, look like and feel like. We had a very interdisciplinary group, all of us trying to understand how do we get to this point. And I think also how can research, art, journalism, these various areas that we were working on can have an impact in addressing the situation. And our project is not about how Puerto Rico is going to pay. What we see is the crisis is offering an opportunity for people to rethink politics, to rethink what the economy should be about.
Me gustó mucho el proyecto porque me hizo sentir la opinión de nosotros los jóvenes que vale, nuestra opinión vale.